Just like an outstanding meal at a five-star restaurant is an unforgettable experience, so is an ICEV lesson. All great meals start with a menu, giving you the option to pick your favorite combinations. Just like a menu, our lesson plans are the menu of each ICEV lesson. The lesson plans provide a detailed description and outline of the best approach to using the instructional materials included in an ICEV lesson. The lesson plan includes goals, objectives, horizontal alignments, as well as a detailed breakdown of each lesson component. Next comes the main course. The focal point of each ICEV lesson is the media content. Each lesson includes a video series or slideshow presentation. These resources address the main learning objectives in a captivating and engaging manner. Accompanying the main course are the sides. Each ICEV lesson comes with a variety of side options, such as student handouts, vocabulary exercises, and project-based learning activities. These materials are designed to reinforce your students' comprehension of the lesson objectives. No meal is complete without the dessert. ICEV provides pre-made assessments to evaluate your students' comprehension of the objectives addressed in the lesson. Interactive assessments are automatically graded and help you pinpoint objectives that need to be readdressed. To finish the dining experience, our real-world career interviews serve as the after-dinner mint. The goal of CTE is to connect students to the world of work. Our career interviews fulfill this by showing students how the lesson objectives are applied in current workforce settings. It would take you all day to cook a meal like this on your own. But with ICEV, you have access to thousands of menu options to help you create the best dining experience for your students.